Welcome to Lesson 2.5, Estimate with Two-Digit Divisors. Our essential question is, how can you use compatible numbers to estimate quotients? We are going to use compatible numbers These are basic facts and patterns. A good example is if you were dividing 38 by 7. You could say, well, 38 is close to 35, and there are 5 sevens in 35. You could also divide 350 by 7 to get 50. You could also divide 3,500 by 7 to get 500. Those are compatible numbers. For our first problem, on our left, we have 154 divided by 22. Finding compatible numbers is different than rounding numbers. If we look at 22, yes, that is close to 20. And then we're going to find a number that 20 divides into evenly. There are two values that come to mind. One is 140, and the other is 160. 22 is compatible with 20, and there are 7 20s in 140, and there are 8 20s in 160. Our estimate would be approximately between 7 and 8. For our next problem on the right, we have 42 divides into 396. 42 is closest to 40, and we then have to take 4 and say, what does 4 go into for a basic fact? 496 is closest to 400, and we'll divide that by 40 to get 10, and 4 times 9 is 36. So we can then say, well, 36, let's add a 0 to get 360. There are 9 4s in 36, and if we add a 0 to the 4 and a 0 to 36, we can also say that there are 9 40s in 360. So our estimate here is going to be around 9 and 10.